So this is where we have to get into. All we're looking for, and it's hard to do it without visually. We're looking for this area of that outside box. That's what we're looking for. Okay. So if I were to give you, how do you find the area of an outside box in English of the outside border? How do you find that?
In English?
In English.
Find the area of the whole thing and then subtract.
Very good. Okay. So this is going to be the area of the outside equals the area of the big minus the area of the middle. Does that make sense?
Really? Area big is in like area entire, like the whole thing?
Yes. Yeah, try this again. Area big, I say that. Area of the yard minus the area of the house. I say that.
Area outside.
Yeah. That's fine. Okay. So we get the logic here. In order to do that, what I'm going to, you guys should have done some of this in grade 8 and grade 9, right, with numbers though, like with a composite shape. So you just subtract the middle part, right? So in order to get that, does this look familiar to all the people? Gail, you saw this in grade 8, in grade 9.
Wait. So,
So we'll just leave it right. Hold on a second. We'll leave it right. Just don't leave. Just relax. Okay. So let's start. Hey, just try to relax. Yes. Yes.
Bracket 35 plus 2x, bracket, another bracket, 50 plus 2x, bracket minus 35 times 50 equals 2,000.
Great. Now let's slow down and find out how she got that. It's correct. Okay. The 2,000 on the left-hand side, someone else comes from where? Where does the 2,000 on the left-hand side come from? Go ahead. I said, yeah, the area of the outside is going to be 2,000. Where does the 35 plus 2x come from? Because I don't see that anywhere on the board here. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
So then for each,
Good. And hopefully I tried to explain that. There's an x, and there's a 35. So all together, I'm running out of room here, that's 35 plus 2x. If you want to call that 2x plus 35, you can do that as well. Now, this is the key ingredient here to this question. So because the middle's 35, right, a little x on the bottom and x on the top, so altogether that's 2 x's with 35. How are we feeling? Because that's like the fundamental parts of this question. Caleb, you're good. Who's your tutor, isn't it? Larry. Larry's got this all figured out too? Okay, good. All right, yes.
Can you like start with just doing 35 times 50 to get like the area of the house,
Yeah.
and then like add the 2,000 to the concrete, and then
Yes.
the 3 total, so then you have like 35
Yes,
plus
yes.
2x.
Okay, so in the same way then, this is going to be the same, I'll do some things, right? And the same for the bottom. This is going to be 50, right? And that's an x and that's an x. So altogether, that's 2x plus 50. Okay, so just hold on a sec, guys, please. Please be brave and ask, because without, you got it, good. It's good, it's a light bulb, one light bulb, that's good. You got 29 no light bulbs though. Are we okay with where those came from? Because this is fundamentally important for this. Yes, sort of? Okay, by the way, if you get stuck on this question, this is a 6-mark question, this is 3 marks getting this far. Okay, so hold on a sec. So if on your test, just 1 second please, if on your test say I don't know how to do it, I'm getting 0. Okay, I can take off -3 and give you this equation, you can start from here. Okay, makes sense? So it's a 6-mark question. I don't want people getting nothing on this, okay? So if you freeze on word problems, which people tend to do, I can give you the equations for half the marks, and this is only in grade 10 by the time you get up to 11 for calculus. That gift ends. I'm sorry, who's going to have it? Okay, okay, I want to slow down. If I was a doctor, let's call him Spencer, and you're operating your heart, would you want your teacher to like point you in the right direction? No, you wouldn't want that to happen. You have to know it yourself. Okay, so now how do I tell him this question that I'm going to be solving rather than completing the square? What is the key thing that this question tells me I'm going to be solving for x rather than completing the square? So I'm going to snub you for right now. Somebody else here. Why am I solving for x, Bailey? There's an equal sign, right? Instantly when there's an equal sign, okay? Secondly, this key word right here says what. Whenever you see what or when or how, you're going to be solving for x. So I'm going to pause in the video. You guys are going to solve for x right now, FOIL it out, and then complete the square. Okay? Do it. What's that? Let me edit that out. FOIL it out, then quad formula or factor. Okay, I think on the test I'll try and give one of the factors out beautifully. Get this out as quickly as possible. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to FOIL this out. So I should get, and you guys can correct me when I make a mistake here, 2,000 equals, oh boy, I can't do this. What's 35 plus 50?
1750.
Not there? There's another 0. Right? Now those 1750s beautifully cancel out. Okay, so that's good. So I'm going to say 2,000 equals 4x squared plus 170x. Are we all okay from where that came from? Now, Nick, I think we're up to you. If I want to solve for x, what do I do? No? It's okay. You haven't been here in 2 weeks. It's all right. It's all right. Single out like that. Whenever you're in a quadratic, what has to happen for a quadratic to solve? It has to equal 0. Always, 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 right? So we're going to move this over like this. Oops, minus 2,000. If this was me solving this question, you guys won't want to do this. I try and divide by something. Right? I'd probably try and divide by 4 if I could. If I can't, I divide by 2. It's 170 divided by 4. I don't think it does. It does?
Yeah. No, it's logical.
Okay, I'll divide by 2. So I'm going to do this just to make the number smaller. Now, if you're saying, oh my goodness, what happened? You will still get the same answer as I will. For anyone else who did it this way, you'll still get the same quad formula. The quadratic formula can handle numbers as big or as small as you want. For me, though, I like smaller numbers, so I'll do that. Okay.
But don't you have to put it in brackets and put it
Okay, good question. All right. Okay, so the question was, why don't the brackets? Because I did actually yell at some of you on your test for this. Okay. Why can I get rid of the 2 in this case? Yes? Okay. Well, because I'm cheating, that's why. Okay. Because what I'm doing is I'm saying, well, let's divide by 2. And when you divide by 2, it's the same thing as it's gone then, right? So it'll be 0 equals 2x squared plus 85x minus 1,000. Now this is just quadratic formula, so I'm going to go 100 miles an hour. X equals negative 85 plus or minus the square root of 85 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 1,000 all over 2 times 2. Which you can I just go with the final answer.
No. Yes. Yes. Whatever.
Okay. Let's try it out then. Okay. Good default. This is test review. What's 85 squared? You want to do the other one? So you want 85 squared?
I didn't like divide by 2.
Oh, that's okay. Do 85 squared. What do you get?
7,220.
Oh, sorry.
It is squared, right there. And then plus 8,000. All right, all over 4. So we should get x equals negative 85 plus square root of 1,5. What? That's over 1%. That's okay. Over 4, or x equals negative 85 minus that. The answer 9.6 or something.
2.6.
And what was the negative one?
Negative 62.1.
What, 1 you said? Now this one's out because you can't have a negative distance. Okay, what that would actually mean was that you would be going the opposite way through your deck. Okay, which would give you the same distance on the opposite side, but I'm going to ignore this one. So I'm going to say therefore the concrete is 9.615. So there will be something like this, or one with like this. You meet him in the hallway?
I didn't even know he was there.
Yeah.
Yes.
So is this, so like, you know, so there's like one of each question?
Yes.
So then there'd be like a reference question. Then on the side we had one like this, and then one with like,
Yeah, there's only 5 questions, so Yeah, that one's more complicated.
So is
I'll
that-
do, I can take up that one at the end. I want to do a revenue question. That would be like this one. That would be,
Then you could either give us like that or like the.
yeah. I'll do one like that in a sec. Let me do the go to revenue next, okay? I'll do it right now. Yeah, okay. I'm going to, sorry, do you need that back?
Yeah.
Why do you guys hate circles so much?